Hello, today I want to talk about how to make email opt-in pages. So welcome to my channel, New Internet Wealth. This is where I make videos about how to make money online. And one of the best ways to make money online is through email marketing, building an email list and marketing through email. So please check out the other videos on my site if you haven't had a chance to look around. Why is it important to have an email list? Because that's something you own. You're not at the whim of a third party where you might get shut down, i.e. maybe even here on YouTube, but other places, you're at the mercy of Etsy or Amazon, or your hosting company might shut you down. Well, you own your email list. That's an asset that you own. You can download it from your email autoresponder and keep it, and then have to use whenever you need to. So you need to be building an email list if you have not. Something that stops people from building an email list is concern about the technical aspects of it, creating opt-in pages. And so that's what we're going to talk about today, is how to not only make an opt-in page in a way that's easy and that's quick, but also I'm going to show you a great free way to do it. There's software out there that you can use. Here we're on the site for Lead Pages. This is very popular. They have over 40,000 businesses that use them. They work great, but they're kind of expensive. They start at $49 per month. And so if you're just starting out, that can be a lot of money, okay? ClickFunnels is another popular software. And again, I'm not bashing these because they do work. They are very good at what they do, but they start kind of expensive. ClickFunnels starts at $97 per month. So as you grow your business and you get into a position where these are no big deal to spend that kind of that money on a monthly basis, then you may come back to Lead Pages or ClickFunnels. But for now, let's talk about a free way to do that, and that is through a program and a service called List Infinity. And this is what I use because they have a free plan, and you can stay free with List Infinity forever. And they, just for full disclosure, they have a $10 one-time payment that gets you a starter membership, and then a one-time $100 payment for a pro membership. So they, at the time of this video, they do have those paid options, which obviously give you some additional things. But the free version of List Infinity gives you a ton. Okay, they show you how to get everything set up. Now, you will with any email list. In email marketing, you're going to need an email autoresponder. I recommend either Aweber, which is who I currently use, or GetResponse, who I've used in the past. These are both friendly to affiliate marketing, and so they are very good choices. They both also have free plans for up to 500 contacts. So once you have more than 500 subscribers, then you'll have to go to a paid plan, which is really not bad at $16 a month. And that's the same with Aweber. Their free plan also goes up to 500 subscribers and then converts over to $16 per month. Actually, Aweber led the way in offering this free plan, and it's a fully functional free plan. Okay, you're not limited in any way other than just one email list and up to 500 subscribers. That's your only limit. And then then you'll have to convert to a monthly plan, but hopefully you'll be making some nice commissions, and where paying $16 a month is a very low cost to continue your email marketing. So when we go back to List Infinity, they have a great system set up. They show you how to integrate it with your Aweber or GetResponse email autoresponder. But to me, this is really one of the main features of List Infinity, is they give you 14 lead capture pages. And these are, for you to use. They're free. They're hosted for you. So you don't need a domain. You don't need hosting. You don't need WordPress. You don't need to have any kind of technical skill. You don't need any of that because these are done for you. And they're very nice looking opt-in pages. You have 14 to choose from. We'll open up a few of these so you can see. Very nicely done. The person puts in their email address and they get sent to create their List Infinity account, and they get added to your email autoresponder, Aweber or GetResponse. So let's just take a look at a few other of these. Again, very nice. Some income proof on the bottom, which is always helpful. And then they have some simpler versions if you prefer a simpler version. So they have things like that. Some people like the all black. So different. You can use any of these. You can use all of these. You can try different ones, etc. They also have some really good training in List Infinity about using solo ad traffic. And so that training is included even with the free membership. They also have recommended solo ad providers. So you get access to that even in your free plan. The free plan also includes some really good marketing for social media, specifically Facebook, but you can use this training for other social media platforms, and they give you promotion tools as well, graphics that you can use, banner ads, things like that. So to me, it's kind of a no-brainer. If you want to get started getting a really nice lead capture page for free that will build your list for you in your Aweber or in your GetResponse account, then I would get set up with a free Listinfinity account and take advantage of these free Optin pages that they host for you and they provide for you. So I hope you found that helpful. I'll leave a link in the description box down below if you want to get started with Listinfinity. If you do, it is going to take you, if you click on my link in the description box below, it'll take you to this Optin page, I believe. And when you enter your email address and click send me the video, then it'll take you to create your free Listinfinity account and then just go through the system setup once you're in here and get the links for any of the Optin pages that you want to use to promote. So I hope that helps. Please give me a thumbs up if the video helped you and subscribe so you can get access to more videos as they come out. Thanks so much for watching.